The forest had grown eerily silent, as if the very trees and creatures held their breath in anticipation of the looming darkness. Lily and Squeak hurried through the shadowy glades, their footsteps muffled by the thick carpet of fallen leaves. The air was thick with an oppressive energy, and Lily could feel the hairs on the back of her neck standing on end. "Squeak, what's happening?" Lily whispered, her voice trembling. "The forest feels wrong." Squeak's usually bright eyes were clouded with worry. "The shadow is near, Lily. I can feel its presence tainting the very essence of this place. We must find Eldora quickly. She will know what to do." They pressed on, the forest around them growing darker and more ominous with each step. Lily couldn't shake the feeling that they were being watched, that unseen eyes were tracking their every move. The normally vibrant colors of the forest had faded, replaced by a dull, lifeless palette. As they approached Eldora's glade, Lily could see the wise old owl perched atop a gnarled tree. Her feathers ruffled and her eyes narrowed. Eldora's gaze locked onto Lily and Squeak, and she let out a deep, resonant hoot. "I have been expecting you," Eldora said, her voice heavy with foreboding. "The shadow has grown stronger, and its influence spreads like a plague through the forest. We must act quickly, for the balance hangs by a thread." Lily's heart raced, but she steeled her resolve. "What can I do, Eldora? How can I help protect the forest?" Eldora's eyes glinted with a mixture of concern and determination. "You must learn to harness the magic of the forest, child. The shadow feeds on fear and discord, but it cannot abide the power of harmony and balance." The owl spread her wings and took flight, circling Lily and Squeak. The forest creatures are in disarray, their bonds of trust and cooperation weakened by the shadow's dark influence. "You must go to them, Lily, and remind them of the strength they possess when they stand together." Squeak nodded solemnly. "The shadow has sown seeds of doubt and mistrust among the forest's inhabitants. We must find a way to unite them against this common foe." Eldora landed gracefully beside them, her gaze piercing. "Time is of the essence, young one. The shadow grows stronger with every passing moment. You must find the courage within you to face this darkness, for the fate of the enchanted forest rests upon your shoulders." Lily felt the weight of Eldora's words settle upon her, but she refused to be daunted. "I'm ready, Eldora. Tell me what I must do." The wise owl nodded, a glimmer of hope in her eyes. "You must journey to the heart of the forest, where the shadow's influence is strongest. There you will find the creatures who have fallen under its sway. Remind them of the magic that binds us all, the harmony that sustains this enchanted realm." Squeak placed his tiny paw on Lily's hand, his expression resolute. "I will be by your side, Lily. Together, we will confront the shadow and restore the balance." Eldora spread her wings once more, preparing to take flight. "Go now, my young guardians. The forest calls to you. May the light of hope guide your way." With a powerful flap of her wings, Eldora soared into the darkening canopy, leaving Lily and Squeak to face the looming threat. Lily took a deep breath, her determination hardening. "Let's go, Squeak. The forest needs us." The two companions set off, their footsteps quickening as they ventured deeper into the heart of the enchanted forest, where the shadow's influence was strongest. As they navigated the twisted, gnarled paths, Lily couldn't help but feel a sense of unease. The once vibrant flora had withered, and the cheerful birdsong had been replaced by an eerie silence. Shadows seemed to linger in every corner, as if the very trees were conspiring against them. Suddenly, a piercing shriek rent the air, causing Lily and Squeak to freeze in their tracks. A group of fairies, their delicate wings tattered and their faces etched with fear, came fluttering towards them.